You want to listen to the next conversation as well, Mayuresh. This is unlisted, but wish it was listed. I think it's one of those. I'm talking about Zerodha. Speaking with CNBC-TV18's Shireen Bhan, Zerodha's Nikhil and Kamath talked about their view on the Indian market and the consumption boom and how it kind of relates with the growth story overall. Listen to some of the sound bites.
You've been a little bit more circumspect on the kind of consumption boom that everybody associates with the India growth story. I mean, at 17 crore demat accounts today, what do you believe that number is likely to be 5 or 10 years on? I also know that you've very boastfully said that you've never gotten a prediction right in the last 14 years. But with that disclaimer out there, what is the best case that we're looking at, assuming this per capita doubling happens?
I mean, when it doubles, we'll see then. But as of now, the 17 crores, I mean, 10, 11 crore unique is a stretch. I mean, I would say 5 crore Indians can potentially invest in the markets. If you see the number of accounts which has got anything sizable in terms of investment, about 25,000 or something, that's a subset of 5 crores. All these new accounts that are coming, they will just go away very easily. As in one bear market and they will go away.
You think so?
Yeah.
So you think the recent correction that we've seen has scared people a little bit? No.
Recent correction is a blip, So it's not that. I mean, to say like a 20-30% drop in the indices, whenever that happens, I think a lot of this 20 to 25-year-old crowd, a lot of people who come into the market will not invest anymore. So.
Are you as circumspect as he is about
how many people in India will invest?
Yeah,
I'm optimistic on that.
I thought so. I could sense a little bit of divergence there. So what's your bull case?
I wouldn't be surprised if 10% of India had direct or indirect access to stock markets in 10 years from now. I don't see why it's not possible.
10 years from now is a long time. I mean, you're saying as of now, in the next 2-3 years, as in...
Yeah, I mean, 5 years, 10 years,
yeah,
up to
10 years,
what's the forecast?
10 years from now, I mean, we are optimistic. We are forced to be optimistic. That's why.
That's why you're in this business, and that's why you're entrepreneurs. Yeah.
Yeah. So, but right now it feels like a stretch. The whole boom from 2020 onwards, it seems like a big stretch. So.
Imagine that, and of course.